Hi, it's Anya, and today I would like to share with you my everyday 10 minutes makeup routine. So this video is meant for all those busy people, moms, nannies, and everyone else that doesn't like to, kick it on. I have my timer set to 10 minutes and let's get into it. It didn't work. Okay. We have still a minute 20 seconds on the time. I'm telling you, this is the fastest routine I've ever had. When I'm on a pinch with the time, sometimes you just don't want to go out of the bed, am I right? And this just covers everything fast. It's all you need, and I hope I helped you a little bit. So next time, maybe you can sleep 5 minutes longer. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you will like, subscribe, and comment below if you would like to see something else. And I will see you next one. Bye!